美国总统川普有公布新的关税名单，拢总是有7个国家，但是台湾也无在内。这税率是伫咧20%至30%之间，其中敢若菲律宾是美国前50大贸易伙伴，关税是甲扣20%，另外对巴西是扣50%的关税。也若针对非洲国家，川普是表示有可能要甲因扣关税。
在社群媒体公布新一波关税通知批，美国总统川普参考伫公布7个税率，其中包含菲律宾、汶莱、摩尔多瓦、阿尔及利亚、伊拉克、利比亚甲斯里兰卡，税率为20%到30%。其中，敢若菲律宾是美国前50大贸易伙伴，去年对美国出口差不多是140亿元，其他国外出口占比是真少。
Formula was a formula based on common sense, based on deficits. Based on how we've been treated over the years, and based on raw numbers. And we're going to have a couple of more coming out today. Brazil, as an example, has been not good to us, not good at all.
伫会见几个非洲国家领导人的时阵，特别点名巴西。川普伫几点钟了后，佫发出就防关税批，会对巴西扣高达50%关税，这是目前为止开出上悬的关税税率。因为川普进前捌表示，巴西的现任总统卢拉对前总统波索纳洛进行的政变审判是一场拉夫行动，也表示一寡非洲国家可能会面临关税。
Well, we treat Africa great in many different ways, including with tariffs, but parts of Africa charge us tremendous tariffs, as you know, and they're going to be dropping those tariffs. They've already informed me they're going to be dropping those tariffs, but we treat Africa far better than China or anybody else, anyplace else.
不过，这摆关税名单依然无看到台湾。到目前为止，川普已经公布14个关税，并且关税通知批内底指出，若透过转换来避免50%的关税，会被扣更较悬的关税。公司新闻陈慧珍报道。